NASA's plan for space stations just took a major U-turn, and the implications could be huge. Imagine a world where humans are no longer a constant presence in low Earth orbit. That's the possibility NASA is now considering as it rethinks its long-term strategy for commercial space stations. This shift could mark the end of an era for continuous human activity in space, a concept that has defined missions like the International Space Station, ISS, for decades. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this move a necessary step toward a new space economy, or a missed opportunity to maintain our foothold in orbit? NASA's revised approach prioritizes commercial partnerships over direct government-led operations. Instead of funding a government-owned station, the agency is pushing private companies to take the lead in building and maintaining orbital habitats. While this aligns with broader efforts to reduce costs and foster innovation, critics argue it risks creating a gap in U.S. leadership in space exploration. After all, if commercial ventures fail to meet expectations, who will ensure a consistent human presence in orbit? And what happens to scientific research that relies on continuous access to microgravity environments? This decision also raises questions about the future of the ISS. Currently scheduled for operation until 2030, the station's retirement could leave a void in low Earth orbit unless private companies step in. But can the market sustain these stations without government backing? Some experts worry that without clear demand from governments or corporations, commercial stations might struggle to justify the massive investment required. Others see this as a chance to democratize access to space, allowing more countries, companies, and even individuals to participate in orbital activities. And this is the part most people miss. The shift isn't just about money or technology. It's about redefining humanity's relationship with space. Are we building stations to support science and exploration, or to create a thriving commercial ecosystem? The answer could shape the next 50 years of space history. So what do you think? Is NASA's gamble on commercialization a bold leap forward or a risky gamble? Share your thoughts in the comments below, because this debate is far from over.